Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Netflix and Disney+. Netflix offers three pricing options: standard with ads for $6.99 per month, standard without ads for $15.49 per month, and premium for $22.99 per month. With over 17,000 titles globally, it provides a wide variety of genres, including popular originals like Stranger Things, Wednesday, and Bridgerton. The platform is known for regular updates with new releases, 4K streaming, spatial audio, and multiple simultaneous streams. It also includes an ad-supported tier for budget-conscious viewers. Disney Plus, on the other hand, has a standard plan with ads for $7.99 per month, a premium plan without ads for $13.99 per month, and a Disney bundle starting at $14.99 per month, which includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. The platform offers around 7,500 TV episodes and 500 movies, featuring key franchises like Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and National Geographic. Its original shows include The Mandalorian, Loki, and WandaVision. Disney Plus is family-focused, with educational programming, 4K streaming, and Dolby Atmos audio. Netflix is ideal for those who enjoy a wide variety of content and frequent new releases, while Disney Plus is perfect for franchise fans and families, offering high-quality exclusive content from beloved franchises. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.